Hello, today I'm going to show you the new receipt entry screen in Kinetic. We'll go ahead and search for receipt entry. We're going to process a receipt for a simple PO, just to show you what the new screen looks like, whether there are any new fields, and what new features are available. This is the new receipt entry screen. Here we can filter by arrived, received, recent records, or all. We'll select arrived so we can process the receipt. One great Kinetic feature is that it now lets you search for the packing slip here. If you know the number, you can enter it directly. Otherwise, you can use filters such as supplier to narrow down the results. We only have a few records right now, but this is useful when you have many. You can also filter by entry person or arrived date. The date filter is especially useful. You can filter by equal or between. For example, if you want to filter by month, you can view everything that arrived in September by selecting between and entering September 1st through September 30th. Another thing you can do is customize the columns. You can turn off any columns you don't need. I'll save the changes. You can also move the columns around however you like. When you're finished, select Save Layout. If I close this screen and reopen Receipt Tracker, the view I created is still saved. Here I have all the packing slip information. I can add a new line here, or I can add it from this section. I'll go to Details and add it here. Another useful feature is that you can customize these columns as well. For example, I want to see the release and PO columns, but I may not need the assembly and operation columns. I'll select Save, and the layout can also be saved. I'll select this one, for example. The quantity is 250. I'm going to receive the full quantity and save it. Then I can return to Details, and the Received All checkbox is automatically selected. For this PO, you can right-click it and open it. This is just to confirm the information. Here I have the mass receipt for line 1, release 1, with 10 pieces to receive. The purchase order shows 10 pieces for line 1, release 1, so everything looks good. I'll choose Select All, which is only one record in this case, and then get all quantities. The quantity changes to 10. I'll select Receive All, and I'll choose Set All to Locations, so they are sent to the warehouse and bin set as the defaults. I'll select Process, and it now shows Received All. I'll confirm, save, and go back. That's how you can receive items line by line or use mass receipt. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.